Hello there everyone, my name is Tless and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now guys and girls, today I'm literally scared. So I'm gonna explain exactly why I'm scared and what I'm waiting for, because Bitcoin right now is literally at a crucial point, just like it was yesterday. But yesterday we actually held it together, and as I was explaining in yesterday's video, and if you haven't seen it, you have to check it out. So as I said yesterday, that if we're gonna be breaking below this support right here and then moving downwards, I would be considering to actually close my long trade. But as we can see in the 15-minute chart, what happened was we tested it, we somehow, depending on how you place the level, we theoretically could argue that we closed in the 4-hour below the level, but then we retraced really fast, and I was just sitting there and sweating and looking at it, and basically, but then it kept moving up and up and up. So this is, as I always say, this is the devil is in the details, and so far we're still in this long trade. But why I'm saying that right now is really important time, I'll tell you. But if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And remember that there is a link to my free Telegram channel with all the trade alerts and awesome stuff and trading tips, etc. down in the description of this video. Go join it right now, and also follow me on Twitter, just a verified account. I'm currently doing a $1,000 giveaway there as well. So without any further ado, we got rejected from this point right here of about 24,700, and I spoke about the 24,700 mark so many times. And right now we got rejected once, and then we're getting rejected again. So at this point, if we move down, it's going to be a perfect short trade, but this is very difficult to predict. So I'm still in my long trade, obviously. And as I said in the previous video, that the invalidation point of this long trade is going to be the break of this support right here. And before we continue, and before I forget to mention something very important, a quick announcement, and that is that we sold off all 500 seats for the recession, minus 50% on my university grade trading education. So all 500 seats where I cover half of the tuition on my certified and accredited 5 months long trading learning programs, all of them sold out. But so many of you have sent me messages on Twitter, on Instagram, in Telegram, and all over the place saying, Thomas, please give me another week or 2 weeks. I really want extra seats. I really want to get into it, and I really want to enjoy that 50% off. So what I did is at our special offer page, I actually, which is offer, I'm going to put it right here, offer.thomascrollo.com, I added another 100 seats, and they're starting to sell out as well. So if you've been hesitating or trying to save up the money, I understand. So here is your last chance, literally. So go to offer.thomascrollo.com and become one of my students today, and I cover half of your tuition for you, and also a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So in this instance, very important, it was literally, tell me in the comments if you were scared yesterday, because we've taken a long trade literally when the CPI data was announced from here. We were really happy about this rally, and then it came back into basically our entry zone. So it wasn't really our, it wasn't a negative area for us. So we didn't have a loss here. But at the same time, it was, all the profit has been eaten up. But we're still in a nice profit right now, obviously, on Bitcoin here over on BitGet, with racking in almost like $5,000 in profits. And just quick shill, if you guys want to be joining BitGet as well, there is a link down in the description or in the pinned comment of this video, an exclusive link which will give you 15% off trading fees. You will get $5 for simply signing up using my link. You'll also get up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses and etc. I know that, but you can read all this stuff right here. And also, if you deposit more than $500, you'll get my famous crypto investing course for free, sent to your email within a few days. So make sure to sign up with your email, and all the instructions are on that page as well. So click that link. So, and basically, it was an invalidation point right here. So if we're gonna go down and break below right here in this vicinity, because I'm scared right now, because this is literally it. Look, this is literally the end of this whole range, and it needs to make up its mind. I'm really, right now, I'm sitting here, I'm kidding, I don't really care about so many years of trading. I look at it as whatever, I don't really care anymore. But to be honest, it is, I remember back in the day, like 7, 8, 9 years ago, this would be super frustrating. Because for us, if we're gonna be breaking finally 24,700 right here and stabilizing above it, this is going to be, guys and girls, opening up the road for us all the way up to this vicinity right here, which is at about $28,500, where a lot of the volume is going to start coming in this vicinity, and also the resistance from this daily wedge, which is of course is going to come in as an incredibly important resistance, just purely technically. Of course, it's just pure technical analysis, no news today. And let me know that in the comments if you guys enjoy just these kinds of quick technical analysis updates of what's happening, etc. And all of those naysayers saying technical analysis doesn't work are the ones who don't fucking know how to use technical analysis, or just dumb or something. I don't know, because look at this. Precise hit, precise hit, precise false break, another precise hit from yesterday. So it was also a really interesting false break kind of a model for re-entry into this, getting pretty much the same kind of a price that I got for my initial entry, which was more of a fundamental entry into this long trade based on the CPI numbers. And yes, if you go to offer.tomscrawler.com, you'll learn all of these things: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, macro analysis, my full strategy, etc., and become a professional trader and make money like Thomas Crowlow. Then you go to offer.tomscrawler.com. So, and basically, as of right now, literally crucial moment, because guys and girls, let's talk about some negatives. If we're gonna see, if we're gonna have not enough power to actually break this finally, this bloody level, which look at how precisely we're getting rejected, but at least we are squeezing it. I love to see this kind of a squeeze where we are seeing these higher lows constantly and squeezing it, squeezing, and break out. That's what it's supposed to look like, actually. But again, sometimes we get rejected. So if we're gonna get rejected, and if we're gonna move below in this instance and close below and stabilize below 24K and then subsequently below 22,700, that's gonna open up the road all the way down to this initial support of about 20 to 21K, this vicinity, which we don't really want to see happen, but it is possible, because at this point, as we've seen before in terms of the fundamentals and on-chain analysis, this rally predominantly is driven by retailers. So it's not really supported by the institutional money and the smart money that very much. It is there, it's 100% there, but it's not as much as previously, as we've seen it previously. So therefore, we might see a rejection. And of course, in this instance, for us, it's gonna be a no-loss entry. So we're gonna close it with no loss. But at the same time, our long-term huge portfolios are gonna suffer indeed in the short-term perspective. So this is what I'm looking at, either a target of right here 28,500 or 20,000 to 21K in this vicinity. Very simple, very straightforward, Mr. Spot On for you, like this or like that. So really, right now is the critical moment, and I'm currently, as you can see, once again, so that you don't type any stupid comments down below, I am long, so I am in a long trade. And if we're gonna see the formations play out that I've mentioned right here, with technical targets, with technical breakouts, breakdowns, etc., then you can actually flip short, etc. Everything is explained. You didn't understand it, watch it again, and then watch it again, and again, and again, until you understand it. I'm gonna link my free course to crypto for beginners right here. Check it out. You'll learn how to use BitGet, how to claim all those insane bonuses. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, peace and love. Thomas Crowlow. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.